Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel AUSPLHYD. Today on 4th August 2021, we are at Puppalgura and we are at a site. It's a small gated community of 45 flats which is constructed on 2100 square yard land, and we have 2 and 3 BHK flats available on 4th and 5th floor. The name of the project is Mafers Marvella, and the project is constructed on the land which has three side road. So this is one of the road which is the front facing, it's 30 feet road, and this is another road which is again 30 feet, and we have one more road on that side which is again 30 feet. And the back side of this project we have a villa construction, so you have an excellent ventilation from all four directions at any given point of the time during the daytime. So now I will take you inside inside the project. I will show you the parking area and the amenities area. Then I'll take you to the flat area. I'll show you one of the flat 3 BHK flat which is available on 4th floor. This is the main entrance of the project. Now when we enter into the project, we have cellar parking. This is the way to the cellar parking, and we have pipe gas. This is the pipe gas storage area. Then we also have a parking on still floor. This is the parking space on the still floor, and this is a driveway area which is very wide. This is almost 20 feet drive area, and we on still floor we have a gym as well as a party hall. So this is the driveway, and we have two lifts. This is one of the lifts that we have, and the other lift on the other side. We have a small children's play area as well. This is the children's play area in the project. It's a 5-floor apartment and it's HMD approved. We have already received occupancy certificate as well for this project. So there is no GST. You get a benefit of GST as well. This is another parking. This is another lift that we have on the ground floor. So this is the parking area. Another important factor is this gap that you see here. It's almost 6.5 feet, where we have, no common wall between one and another apartment. So it's an independent apartment that we have in this venture, which gives you privacy and independent house feeling as well. Now I'm at 5th floor, and this is the 8.6 feet wide lobby that you see here. 8.6 feet wide corridor, and each floor has 9 apartments, mix of 2 and 3 BHK, starting size from 1230 square feet to 17009 feet. And this is, you see there, now this is almost 17 feet gap between one apartment and another apartment. So at this, the apartment that we have here, and from another apartment we have 17 feet gap. So that's a huge actually. Now I'll take you inside the apartment and we'll show you the 3 bedrooms that we have inside, and 3 toilets, kitchen, and also the dining area. So when we enter into the apartment, this is apartment number 508. It's 1709 square feet. This is the living area. This is the living area. For the sizes and everything, you can refer the brochure. You can call us and you will see in the brochure. Now we have a passage of like 4.5 feet, and then we have, this is the dining area. Then we have a balcony in the dining area. This is the balcony in the dining area, and this is the master bedroom. It's of size 15 into 11. This is the master bedroom. And this is the attached toilet in the master bedroom. Now let me show you another bedroom. This is the second bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. And this is the common toilet that we have. And this is the third bedroom. and it has an attached toilet. So it's 3 BHK with 3 toilets, 2 attached, 1 common. And this is the dining area. We have balcony in the dining area. Let me open the balcony here. So we have a wash basin in the balcony, and this is another road that we have beside our plot. Now let me take you inside the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, and we have a pipe gas, so you don't need to bring your gas cylinder all the way to the 5th floor. We have a gas station, and from there the gas will be supplied. This is the pipe gas meter, and the utility area, your wash area. So this is 3 BHK flat which is on 5th floor, flat number 508. Now I will show you one of the flat as well, which is 2 BHK, and which is also on the same floor. So let me now take you to 2 BHK flat. Now let me take you inside a 2 BHK apartment. So this is 2 BHK flat number 504 on 5th floor. It's very spacious apartment of size 1230 square feet. This is the living area, and then we have living cum dining area, and we have an open kitchen for 2 BHK, and we have a balcony in the dining area, and then we have a utility area as well attached to this kitchen. So this is the gas meter. Since we have a pipe gas, we have a gas meter in each and every apartment, and it's 2 BHK with 2 toilets. So these are the 2 bedrooms. This is the master bedroom, and we have an attached toilet here in the master bedroom. This is the common toilet, and this is the 2nd bedroom. So it's, you see the ventilation here. The ventilation is very good ventilation, and this 2 bedroom is facing flat. We have 2 windows, and one of the window is facing towards the road, the other is towards the other apartment, but we have no common wall. Again, in the master bedroom we have 2 windows, so one is facing towards the road, the other is towards the apartment, but there is a gap between each other, and this is more than 6 feet gap. This is the balcony that we have. So this is 2 BHK, very spacious apartment, and we have intercom as well. So for site visit, for pricing, for any other information, any other detail, you can call us, contact us on the number given in the description. And this is our YouTube channel. You can get back to us if you need anything related to your real estate. We have plots, farmlands, villas and flats at a strategic location in and around Hyderabad. Thank you for watching. Happy investing and happy buying, and all the best for your sweet and dream home. Thank you for watching.